What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from geeksterlabs.com, and guys, I have a quick video of something I just noticed. I just finished doing the unboxing video for my iPhone XS, and I've noticed something rather odd, and I heard rumors about this, that the camera hump on the iPhone XS was going to be a little bit different from the 10, but I always assumed that all my 10 cases would fit with the iPhone XS, and I'm finding that that's not exactly the case. So I'm going to get as close to this as I can to show you guys. So as you can see here, let's get that there. Okay, so as you can see that cutaway. By the way, this is a Catalyst case in case you guys are interested. So see that you can see the cutaway there is very precise, very little edge opening around the camera. Okay, so let's swap this out, and now we're gonna put this case onto my iPhone XS. And as you can see right there, guys, that opening does not perfectly match up with the camera. Let me get it in the light so you can see. So it's practically touching the bottom edge of the opening, but there's a lot more space on the left and top side of where the camera hump is. So that is kind of strange. I think with this case, I'm not sure if my case is being pushed down because it's right on the edge of that. But I think if you have cases that have a really precise opening for the camera, it may not fit on your iPhone XS, your iPhone XS. Everything else seems to be fine. Oh, look, I turned on the phone already. Everything else seems to be fine as far as the the thickness of it and everything, because that should all be the same. So keep that in mind, guys. If you have any cases that are very precise as far as the camera cutout goes, they may not fit on your iPhone XS. So just something to be mindful of. I think for this case, I probably would be okay, even though that's quite a bit of a gap. I think there's enough space around that. But I do have a couple of the cases that are like real snug, especially like waterproof style cases, which are real tight. I don't know if they're gonna be able to fit the iPhone XS. So one thing to keep in mind, guys, for those of you that are purchasing the iPhone XS and you were hoping to use all your original cases for your 10, that may not be the case. So hopefully this video is helpful to you guys. I'll be having a lot more content coming for the iPhone XS very soon. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get alerted to all those videos, and I'll see you in the next video review.